Hi, welcome to the third episode of Geometry Constructions with Harry.
And Miles.
So today's episode is going to be on how to use the daisy to construct equilateral triangles and regular hexagons.
So the reason why the daisy works is because any length that your compass is right here is going to be the radius of the circle. And if you know anything about triangles, an equilateral triangle means it has all three sides the same length. So when this point from the middle out to the edge is going to be the same. So if you're going from that point and constructing another circle, like right here, right, it's going to still have the same radius and it's going to end up here. So the lines from here to here, as you can see, are all going to be equilateral triangles, meaning that this right here will be 60 degrees because if you know, any triangle has 180 degrees inside of it with the angles added up. So if these are all 60, that adds up to 360, which makes up the entirety of the triangle, and that's the reason why it works. And today we're going to show you how to construct both a equilateral triangle and a regular hexagon. And the regular hexagon just means all the inside angles are the same and all the lengths are the same.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a line, and this line is going to be the length of one of your sides of the triangle.
It can be any length you want, so just do
Have
whatever.
fun, you know. I'm going to go ahead and mark the points here, just to make it a little bit easier to see. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your compass and you're going to match its length to the side of your triangle. Then you're going to take this and you're going to spin it around over here like this. You don't have to make it too long, just something like that. Then after that, you're going to take it and you're going to do the same thing with the other side so that they intersect. Then you can take your straight edge and go from point, let's say, A and point B, and we'll make this point C. So you take your straight edge and you connect these two, then you just draw the line like that. Do the same thing on the other side. And you'll end up with an equilateral triangle. So an easy way to check to see if you did it right is you just take this, which is still the length of this, and B, and then you just check each side. And if all the sides match up, then it's an equilateral triangle because all the sides are the same.
Okay, so right now I'm going to teach you guys how to construct a regular hexagon, which essentially means that all of the sides are equal length and all of the angles, or the interior angles, are all the same. And first, to start off, as you just saw, what I did was construct just a random circle, and however big you want it to be, you come through here. You once again, just like with the daisy, you put your point on any side of the circle, and then you come over here and you mark it, and just a little tiny little thing. It doesn't need to be much. And you go through, you do it again, right here, and again. By the time you get here, that'll be the last one. You should end up with 6 points. Use your straight edge to go from point here and then line it up. This will be pretty rough because we're doing it on a wall, but it works. And then right here.
And that's how you make a regular hexagon.